Hi guys, this is Gracie Concept. Welcome to our YouTube channel. For those that are new to our channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so that you can get notification whenever we release a new video. So today I'll be teaching you on how to carve your brows by yourself. This is a beginner friendly video on how to carve your brows yourself. On this video, I'll be making use of just two items. That's the spoolie brush, although this beauty pencil. So I'm making use of the spoolie there, and I'll be making use of my razor. Can you see it? My razor blade. I'm just going to open it. This is how it looks like for those of you that don't know how a razor blade looks like. This is it. So let's start. First, you need to use your spoolie brush to brush the hairs up, and you use your razor blade to remove just the excess under the brows. Just watch it. Remove the excess. Don't remove all the hairs, just the excess under the brows. Then you brush up, you brush down using your spoolie brush. And you remove the excess from the up, like to give your brows a shape. You give your brows a shape when you brush down. You brush up again using your spoolie brush. Then you use your razor to remove the excess hair that's above that line you carved. Above the line you carved, just remove the excess hair there. Gently. And you brush down. Then you remove the excess hair that is above the other one you carved to under. You just remove the excess one. What I meant is those hair that you see after you brush down, after the lines you've carved, those hairs you are seeing is the one you will remove, not all the hairs. And you brush to the side. Okay, for those that didn't understand the first one, let me do the second one. You brush your hair up using your spoolie brush, and you use your blade to remove the excess. Remove the excess from the brows, You have to hold your razor very firmly so that you won't end up injuring yourself. You brush down and you remove the excess from the brows above, from the upper part. Gently. You brush your hairs up again to remove the excess that is above that line. You can see the line there, right? Above that line you carve. Anyone that is going above is the one you will remove. Gently, you brush down again and remove the excess that is below it, that line you carved too. You remove the excess. Gently, please be careful so that you won't end up injuring yourself. Okay, I'm getting close. A brush up, brush side, and that's it. That's it, guys. You can see, that's it. It's very, very simple. You can do this yourself at home. So this is it, guys. You can see it's very, very easy. Very for you to just do this yourself at home without you going out to look for someone that will help you have your brows. You can see very fine. Although I have a very funny brows, so that's why it's looking this way. It's not that full. I have a scanty brow, so this is it. Thanks for watching.